How to fix TikTok Facebook login problem. So if you want to fix your TikTok Facebook login problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your TikTok application at first. Once you open up your TikTok, now you need to go with agree and continue, allow the notifications and allow everything that it's asking you, and then go with next and tap on start watching. And now you need to just simply go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and it will take you to the login page. Right. So if you want to log in with your Facebook, then you just need to simply tap on continue with Facebook. Once you tap on continue to Facebook, then it will log you into your TikTok account with your Facebook. So tap on continue and you need to choose the Facebook account to continue. So I'll just simply go with a Facebook account and it might take a few seconds, and after that it will log you in to your TikTok with your Facebook. But if that doesn't fix your problem, or if this doesn't work, then you can try opening your Facebook and log into your Facebook with the account that you would like to use on your TikTok. And after that, you can go with continue. Or you can just simply go with your Play Store and go with search. And under search, you can search for TikTok and make sure that your app is up to date. So go with update if you have any updates under your application. And once you've updated, you can restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. You'll be able to log into your account. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.